Hi, good morning, children. Today is day 9, and here's what we're going to be doing today. What are we doing today? Oh, we're dividing by 200, dividing by 2,000, dividing by 200, 400, all of that kind of stuff. So we're dividing a little bit. It's like dividing by 100 and dividing by 1,000, but instead we're dividing by 200 and all of that kind of stuff. This one's pretty straightforward. Let's do it. Number 12. So if I have 46 divided by 2,000, I think one way I can introduce this to you is think about this. What if I had 8 divided by, mm, actually, we'll do 16 divided by 4. Got it? What I could do is I could say, well, actually, you know what? Let's do 16 divided by 8. What's the answer to that? 16 divided by 8. It's really easy. It's just 2, right?
Yeah.
But I could, if I wanted to, say, well, that's 16 divided by 4 divided by 2. Does that make sense?
Hmm.
Or maybe better yet, I'll write it like this. 16 divided by 8 is 16 over 8, right? I can always break 8 down into 16 divided by 4 times 2, right? So that's why I have 16 divided by 4 divided by 2, because both the 4 and the 2 are in the denominator. And then I can say, well, what's 16 divided by 4? Well, that's 4, right? And then I can say, okay, well, what's 4 divided by 2? Well, that's 2. Now, you're thinking, well, why would you do that? Why would you do 2 division problems if doing this one is way easier? You know what I mean? And my answer is this, because maybe doing that one is not always easier. Maybe doing 2 different ones is easier. So in this case, we have 46 divided by 200, actually. I made a mistake. It's 200. So what I would look at that is 46 divided by 200 is the same as 46 divided by 2 divided by 100. Because 2 times 100 is 200. So I'm doing the same thing. Let's do the 46 over 2. Let's see, this goes into 2 times, that goes into 3 times. So really I'm dealing with here is 23 divided by 100. Does that make sense? Because I did the divided by the 2, I didn't divide by the 100 yet, so that's what I'm taking into account. And then dividing by 100, that's pretty straightforward. You just take the decimal place, move it twice, 1, 2. Your answer is 0.23. Is that correct?
Yes.
Wrong. You need a 0 in front. Haha, you got to make sure you get those things. All right, let's do 46 divided by 2,000. All right. You know that 46 divided by 2 is already 23. How do I know that?
I figured it out, Dad. Dad, I figured it out already.
Okay, what is it?
Ben, this is Ben. The answer is wait 0.0023.
Very good, Ben. You got it wrong. Um, you moved the decimal place. You went. It started here, and apparently you moved it 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Right? It starts at the end of 23, and so it goes 1, 2, 3, 4 times. You're only supposed to move it 3 times. You got close though. The answer is 0.023. You had one too many zeros in there.
Sorry, I do it better on paper.
All right, let's try this one. Well, don't worry, you'll have an opportunity to do that in exercise number 9. All right, let's do zero point 0.8 divided by 200. Now, here's an idea that I want to get across to you is when you're dividing by a big number, are you going to get a smaller number or a bigger number?
Smaller number.
A much smaller number, right? So I would expect this number to be like much smaller than zero point 0.8. Let's see if that's going to be true.
Probably 0.4.
Well, zero point 0.8 divided by 2 is zero point 0.4. I agree with you. But we still have to divide that by 100. Do you understand why? Because if we're doing by 200, we divided it by just straight 2. Now we still got to do the extra 100. So the extra 100 will take this decimal place and move it 2 times to the left. 1, 2. Your answer is 0. All right, so 0.004. Is that correct?
Mm-hmm.
Wrong. 0. All
Ah.
right, let's try this one. 1.6 divided by 400. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 1.6 divided by 4 first. And let's see. The decimal place goes up. 4 can't go into 1. 4 can go into 16 4 times. So that answer is 0.4. But I still have to take that 0.4 and divide that by 100. So the answer is 12.004. Nope, you
No.
still have to add the 0.
Seriously?
Seriously, you keep forgetting it, man.
I was gonna say, wait, no.
All right, let's try this. Negative. All right, let's try 714 divided by 7,000. All right. So let's do 714 divided by 7 first.
Okay, I think I already know what that is.
What is it?
7. Wait, 1,
1,
2, right? So
0.
it's 12?
It
Oh,
doesn't go
yeah.
into 4.
1,
So,
0, 2. So it's 100 and. Oh, yeah, 100 and.
all right, I'll agree with that. Yeah, 102. So you still got to do 102. You still have to divide by 1,000. Because remember, we were supposed to divide it by 7,000. We just did divide it by 7 so far. We didn't finish off that 1,000. So you take this decimal place, which is right here, and you move it 3 times to the left. So your answer is 0.102. Is that correct, Ben?
No,
Why?
because it doesn't have a 0.
Awesome. There we go.
Zero.
That's the end.